Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler J. Tolbert with Smile Now Dentures and Implants. And today I'm going to be talking about a common source of confusion for patients seeking full mouth implants. They'll say, I was told I would need grafting before I could get implants. Then, when we tell them they can get their implants and their teeth in the same day, they're naturally a bit confused. Well, today I want to clear up some of this confusion and tell you why even though you've been told you would need to get grafts and wait for several months to a year to get your teeth, there are solutions that can solve your problems today. To start, it's important to note that implants for single teeth are different from those for a full arch. Many general dentists may not perform full arch implants, or they may not be aware of the many options that are available, so you could be missing out on alternatives you may not have heard about. Most dentists, when evaluating your options for tooth replacement, are thinking about the rules that apply to single implants. In cases where you're missing just one or a few teeth for longer than 6 months or so, it is very common that you will need to receive a graft before or during your implant procedure in order for it to be successful. This typically involves receiving a demineralized animal or cadaver bone that will hopefully be accepted by your body and will eventually serve as a foundation for a tooth. This process typically involves several months of waiting for the graft to take, followed by implant placement, and several more months prior to actually getting your tooth replaced. Fortunately, full mouth dental implants are an entirely different ballgame. Using specialized implants and techniques, we at Smile Now Dentures and Implants are able to utilize your natural bone in strategic locations in order to get you implants and permanent teeth the same day. This is because we are dealing with your entire mouth, and we can utilize bone in places that have been totally unaffected by your tooth loss, allowing for the stability necessary to screw in your teeth immediately in a single appointment. This saves you money, time, and the inconvenience of multiple procedures to get you to your new smile. So, understand that even though you've been told you would need grafting for your implants, virtually all of our patients receiving full mouth implants in the same day teeth have been told the same thing. The fact is that most full arch cases, when done by a provider properly trained in these cases, can be completed without any grafting at all. Why is that great news? Because grafted bone isn't as effective as your natural bone. Plus, the grafting process can take a year to fully heal before you even get your teeth. That means months or even a year without teeth. So if you've been told you can't get implants due to bone loss or need extensive grafting, it's time to get a second opinion. You deserve to know all of your options, and we can help you find the best solution for your smile. Now, if you're considering dental implants or full arch restoration, let's talk. We offer free consultations and we'll walk you through to ensure we provide a comfortable and stress-free experience. Click the link in the description below to book your visit. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more expert insights on dental care. We'll see you in the next video.